Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a box for you. It's not a new box, darn it. I wish it was a new box, but it's a tried and true box. It's one that I'm kind of neither here nor there on, and it is the Walmart beauty box. I like it, but I don't like it. I know that makes sense to somebody out there. I like it because it doesn't cost a lot of money. It's $5. And that's it. 4 times a year, seasonal, winter, spring, summer, fall. That's it. This is the winter box. The reasons why I don't like it is because it's normally just foil packets. But maybe we'll get a surprise in this one. So let's open it up and find out. Embrace your beauty this season. Show off your fabulous self. And then it says beautybox.walmart.com. And then it says hashtag Walmart Beauty. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. And it just went flying over there. Let me grab it real quick. Okay, I had to crawl on the floor to get the daggone paper. It did not want to come up. So here is what flew out. And this says embrace your beauty. And on the back it says enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think about your Walmart beauty box in a brief survey by visiting beautyboxsurvey.com. And there is the back side of that. All right, so we are going to move all of this out of the way. The wrapping paper says Nivea on it, so must be there's something from Nivea in here. And that is what it looks like when we open it up. Let's see what we have in here. Yeah, there's pretty much a bunch of foil packets. But first up we have, let's see, all-in-one Biore. My glasses should be in today or tomorrow. Since it's so late, probably tomorrow. And I cannot wait. Good Lord. Okay. Treat free your pores. That's what it says. Charcoal, great for oily skin, removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. Charcoal cleansing micellar water. Oh, that's nice. I love micellar water. Love that. That's an A plus in my book. And then we have fluoride-free whitening toothpaste, and it's from Hello. Activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. Do we have a safety seal? We do have a safety seal. Always a plus in my book. Now, if we can get it open, which we probably will not be able to get it open. I just wanted to smell it, really. Come on out. Thank you. All right. Oh, you jerk. Why do they make these so tough? I mean, like, seriously. With these fingernails of mine, it is harder than heck to get these things off of these packages. Oh. Well, that's not gonna work either. You jerk. Well, it did not work. So we're going to have to not open this right at the moment because it won't open. That stinks. But anyway, it's a little bitty baby toothpaste. I don't mind some toothpaste. Okay. And then next we have something by Maybelline. Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. This is new. I have never gotten a liner in this box before, so I'm kind of impressed with this. Ooh, maybe not so impressed with it. It wasn't sealed at all, so, but this is a definite fine tip. Whoop. Love it. Love it. I love a good liquid liner. Maybelline is trying to step their game up. Okay, and then we have, some mascara as well. This is by Great Lash. I don't know. There it is, and it is in very black. And this does have the safety seal all over it, so that makes me a happy girl. Let's see if we can get it off. Come on now. Don't be a jerk. Don't even be a... I said don't be a jerk, and what did you do? You be a jerk. Yes, I talk to inanimate objects all the time. Makes me feel better sometimes. Sometimes it just ticks me off even more. Because the one thing, they don't listen. Why would they? They don't have any ears. So that was stupid, right? Yeah, I know. All right, it's open enough. Let's open this up. Let's see what we have here. There we go. Beautiful. Nice, like that. Good travel size. Take it with you. I don't have any of the size, so that is a plus for me. I can take this and the eyeliner with me now. I like that. See, so there is some benefit to, come on you jerk, to getting these boxes. Okay, now let's see what else we have in here. Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid. So we'll give that a try. And then this is the little ad for the eyeliner. That's another little ad for the Cetaphil that we just pulled out. These two go together. And what do we have here? Nivea 48-hour Soothing Moisture. There is that. That is awesome. Always need that in the winter time. Okay, so it is by Maybelline, the Great Lash. There it is. And it is by Maybelline right there on the bottom. Forever a fan, and that's a fact. One tube sold every 2 seconds. 40,000 tubes sold in a day. 4.5 million lashes coated every day. And there it is in all its glory. Awesome. I was trying to figure out who made that, and now we know, Maybelline. And then there is the little ad for our, wherever our moisture went. There we go. And then Garnier Whole Blends Haute Delicacy. Is that what we have? Yep. And here is the little paper for it. And here are the foil packets for it. And this is conditioner and shampoo. I have never tried this. I am kind of excited to try this shampoo and conditioner. Awesome. And then we have they should put these together, seriously. There is the Hello Fall Black in Love with Oral Care. Enter to win a year's supply of Hello. Post plus tag us in your bright smile selfie with Brush Happy. And there is the advertisement for it. Very nice. And then we have one last thing in this very quick box, and I have a lot of these. I enjoy these bubble masks. Black Charcoal by Sue. I think that's how you say it right there, Sue. These are a really nice mask. The bubble, they kind of like bubble up on you. It feels like kind of like hydrogen peroxide. Actually, I think that's what's in here. Never really read it, but it does what it says it does. It really does oxygenize your skin. You feel like your skin is alive after you use this mask, this charcoal mask. Awesome mask. Very nice box. I like this box this time. Usually I complain about this box because it's normally a bunch of foil packets and junk is usually what's in here, but this time this was not so bad. We did get some foil packets, but we also got a whole nice little supply of makeup, toothpaste, micellar water. Very, very nice. All of this was in my Walmart beauty box. So let me know what you guys got in your Walmart beauty box. And if you haven't tried it, what are you waiting for? For $5, you get all of this. This is awesome. All right, guys, well, that's it for my Walmart beauty box. I will see you guys in another video real soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. I need to get off of here because I have a date with my husband at the gym. We have been slacking off and we need to get our butts back into the gym because you just can't just sit around. You gotta be active, and at my age, activity counts. So I will see you guys in another video. Thought there was something on my face. In another video real soon. I appreciate you guys so much, and thank you so much for all of your support. In my next video, I will be announcing, I think there's like 8 or 10 more subscribers. You guys rock. Keep sharing the videos, keep getting the word out there that this channel is the real channel. I'm not messing around on this channel. And I also have an update from my Nadine West unboxing. I kept this. I kept the sweatshirt. Those leggings were so long, they kept falling down. They just, I had them pulled, I swear to you, I had them pulled up right underneath my bra. And they were still too long. So I kept this. This will keep me warm while I'm sitting in the house. And who knows, it may just grow on me. Who knows? I like it. I like the color. So, all right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. I got to get to the gym. I'll see you in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.